Welcome to class 10 of Saundarya Lahari Parayana Bhyasaha or Learn to Chant Saundarya Lahari of Adi Shankaracharya. In the last two classes, we have had individual chanting revision. Very happy with the response. I know there are still a few who probably didn't chant individually, but we will get a chance soon. This class, I'm not sure if there will be time to chant individually, but definitely in the coming classes, there will be time. So let us just begin now with Guru Vandanam and Mangala Shlokaha. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurov paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shruti smriti purananamayam karunalayam Namami bhagavat pada shankaram lokashankaram Saundarya lahari kartre sarvamangaladayine Shankaracharya varyaya Yati Rajayate Namaha Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha Yadi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitum Nachede Devaha Nakhalu Kushala Spanditumapi Atastwamaradhyam Harihara virinchadi bhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakrita punya prabhavati. Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala, is there anyone logged in from that account? There is a co-host named Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala. Please, if you're one of the panelists, please unmute and rename yourselves. Or if there are any panelists who have joined as attendees, please let me know. Okay, I see that there is some test happening in Zoom. Okay, sorry for the confusion. I did not end the meeting. I see some of you have said that you got a message that the host ended the meeting. Okay, we will begin with the next verse, but I'm not sure why the panelists were not able to join yet. Okay, we'll do one thing. As we don't have panelists for today because of some technical issue, like I said, they had joined previously and they are not able to join in now. The course is very much in progress. Some of you got a message saying the course is completed. Sorry for all this confusion. I will check with the technical team what the issue is. Could I request anyone who is confident of doing the Anucharanam, that is the repetition, to please raise your hands today? Because I think the panelists are not able to join. So anyone who can do the Anucharanam, that is for the new shlokas you will be asked to repeat. So whoever is capable and who is confident, please raise your hands. I will call your names. Okay, Brinda Srinivasan Bhagini, please unmute. I'm not sure if you can share your video, but please unmute Brinda Srinivasan Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ram.
Yes. So we will start with the 21st shloka. Request you to please repeat after me. Like I said, I am going to start with the new shlokas and I will request some of you to help me with the repetition for today. 21st shloka. Tatillekha tanvim.
Tatillekha tanvim. Tatillekha tanvim.
Tapana shashi vaishvanaramyim.
Tapana shashi vaishvanaramyim. Tapana shashi vaishvanaramyim.
Nishannam.
Nishannam. Nishannam.
Shannamapyupari.
Shannamapyupari. Shannamapyupari.
Kamalanantava.
Kamalanantava. Kamalanantava.
Kalam.
Kalam. Kalam.
Mahapadmatavyam.
Mahapadmatavyam. Mahapadmatavyam.
Mriditamalayena.
Mriditamalayena. Mriditamalayena.
Manasa.
Manasa. Manasa.
Mahantah pashyantaha.
Mahantah pashyantaha. Mahantah pashyantaha.
Dadhati.
Dadhati. Dadhati.
Dadhati. Only the first da is alpa prana, second da is mahaprana. Dadhati.
Dadhati. Dadhati.
Param. Samyak. Paramahlādalaharim.
Paramahlādalaharim. Paramahlādalaharim.
Okay. Uttamam. So all of you please note here. Tatillekha tanvim. Kha is mahaprana. Tapana shashi vaishvanaramyim. Nishannam. There's a difference between this sha and this sha here. Nishannam shannamapyupari. Kamalanantava. Here optionally the anuswara can be combined with the as a sandhi and you can chant it as Kamalanantava. Otherwise Kamalanam tava is also correct. Kamalanantava kalam. Mahapadmatavyam mriditamalayena manasa. Mahantah pashyantaha. Visarga followed by pa. Upadhmaniya. Therefore Mahantah pashyantaha. In many books it would be given as pashyanto. That is also correct. Now by now you will be familiar. That is because they have combined the sandhi there. So Mahantah pashyanto dadhati it will be if you combine the sandhi. If you split it, Mahantah pashyantaha dadhati. Please note this. Only the second dha is Mahaprana. Dadhati Paramahlada. Note the pronunciation of this word. Paramahlada Laharim. Okay, so let us do once again. Next, I request any other volunteer. Thank you, Brinda Bhagini. You chanted well. Yeah, Dhanyavadaha. I don't see the panelists here yet, so I'll request some of you to help me. Rajeshwari Shivaraman Bhagini. Now we are going to do one line at a time.
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha Bhagini. Ram Ram Ram. We will do one line at a time now. Tatillekhatanvim Tapana Shashi Vaishvanaramagim
Tatillekhatanvim Tapana Shashi Vaishvanaramagim Tatillekhatanvim Tapana Shashi Vaishvanaramagim
Nishannam Shannamapyupari Kamalanantavakalam
Nishannam Shannamapyupari Kamalanantavakalam Nishannam Shannamapyupari Kamalanantavakalam
Mahapadmatavyam Mriditamalayena Manasa
Mahapadmatavyam Mriditamalayena Manasa Mahapadmatavyam Mriditamalayena Manasa
Mahantah Pashyantah Dadhati Paramahlādalaharim
Mahantah Pashyantah Dadhati Paramahlādalaharim Mahantah Pashyantah Dadhati Paramahlādalaharim.
Uttamam. Uttamam Bhagini, very well chanted. Some of you are saying you're interested to chant. You please keep your hands raised. I will call out in the order in which it is appearing on my screen. Nishannam, there are two nas, yes. Nishannam, Shannama, Pyupari. In both these places, it is a Sanyukta Aksharam. This Nishannam, Shannama, Pyupari. So I hope that is clear. It is not Dna, it is not DNA. One of you typed it out as DNA. It's not DNA there. It is just Nishannam Shannama Pyupari. There is no D sound there. It is Na. That's it. Nishannam Shannama Pyupari. Yes. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Shyamala Ramachandran Bhagini. Please unmute. Yeah. Now we will do half a shloka. Tatillekhatanvim Tapana Shashi Vaishvanaramagim Nishannam Shannamapyupari Kamalanantavakalam
Tatillekhatanvim Tapana Shashi Vaishvanaramagim Nishannam Shannama Yupari Kamalanam Tavakalam Tatillekhatanvim.
Lekha is Mahaprana, so Kha should be chanted clearly. Kha.
Tatillekhatanvim Tapana Shashi Vaishvanaramagim Nishannam Shannama Yupari Kamalanam Tavakalam
Mahapadmatavyam Mriditamalayena Manasa Mahantah Pashyantah Dadhati Paramahlādalaharim.
महापद्माटव्यां मृदितमलमायेन मनसा महान्तः पश्यन्तः दधति परमाह्लादलहरीं महापद्माटव्यां मृदितमलमायेन मनसा महान्तः पश्यन्तः दधति परमाह्लादलहरीं.
Uttamam Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha. Next, we'll have one more volunteer to do the entire shloka, please. Anagha Srinivasan Bhagini. Please unmute. Anagha Srinivasan Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. So the entire shloka I will chant once. Then you can chant Anagha. Tatillekha tanvim tapana shashi vaishvanaramyim nishannam shannam apyupari kamalanam tava kalam mahapadmatavyam mriditamalayena manasa mahantah पश्यन्तः दधति परमाह्लादलहरीम्.
तटिल्लेखातन्वीं तपनशशिवैश्वानरमयीं निषण्णां षण्णामप्युपरि कमलानां तव कलाम् महापद्माटव्यां मृदितमलमायेन मनसा महान्तः पश्यन्तः दधति परमाह्लादलहरीम्.
Uttamam Anagha once again.
तटिल्लेखातन्वीं तपनशशिवैश्वानरमयीं निषण्णां षण्णामप्युपरि कमलानां तव कलाम् महापद्माटव्यां मृदितमलमायेन मनसा महान्तः पश्यन्तः दधति परमाह्लादलहरीम्.
Uttamam Anagha. Very well chanted Anagha. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadaha. Very well chanted. Okay. Now we have one of our panelists here. I will just ask her to assist also. Shivani, I see your message in chat, but can you change your name, Shivani, if you have joined from any other name, please? Okay, I see Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala. Is that you, Shivani? Please, if that's you, please unmute. We will go to the next shloka. Please unmute whoever is joining. Yes, is this Shivani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I think you can share your video also, if you're able to.
Ma'am, now it still shows that I'm an attendee.
Okay, no worries. We will continue like this for today. There seems to be some issue. Okay, next shloka, very interesting, very important shloka, 22. Let us do this. Bhavani Tvandase.
Bhavani Tvandase. Bhavani Tvandase.
Mai Vitara.
Mai Vitara. Mai Vitara.
Drishtim Sakarunam.
Drishtim Sakarunam. Drishtim Sakarunam.
स्तोतुं वाञ्छन्
इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन्
कथयति
कथयति कथयति
भवानि त्वमिति यः
भवानि त्वमिति यः भवानि त्वमिति यः
तदैव त्वं तस्मै
तदैव त्वं तस्मै तदैव त्वं तस्मै
दिशसि निजसायुज्य पदवीम्
दिशसि निजसायुज्य पदवीम् दिशसि निजसायुज्य पदवीम्
मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र
मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र
स्फुटमकुट
स्फुटमकुट स्फुटमकुट
नीराजितपदाम्
नीराजितपदाम् नीराजितपदाम्.
Okay, so bhavani, bha is mahaprana, bhavani tvam daset, you can pronounce it as tvam, complete anuswara, or bhavani tvam dase is also correct. Bhavani tvam dase mai vitara drishtim, please note the pronunciation of this letter, drishtim sakarunam iti stotum vanchan, so dvitvam iti stotum, second sa is heard, iti stotum vanchan kathayati, tha is mahaprana, bhavani, bha is mahaprana, bhavani tvam iti yaha, again dvitvam here, bhavani tvam, so extra t is heard, bhavani tvam iti yaha, tadaiva tvam tasmai is also correct, or tvan tasmai, half n is also right, that is anuswara, that is the anuswara rule. Optionally you can chant it as tadaiva tvan tasmai dishasi nija sayujya padavim. Next line we don't split, I only split it the first time to show you the words clearly. Mukunda brahmendra sphuta makuta nirajita padam, that entire line is chanted at a stretch. Mukunda brahmendra, dvitvam here, Mukunda brahmendra, second b is heard, again brahmendra sphuta, second s is heard, so dvitvam there also. Mukunda brahmendra sphuta makuta nirajita padam. Shivani, request you to continue. Bhavani tvam dase mayi vitara drishtim sakarunam.
भवानि त्वं दासे मयि वितर दृष्टिं सकरुणाम् भवानि त्वं दासे मयि वितर दृष्टिं सकरुणाम्
इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः
इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः
तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निजसायुज्य पदवीम्
तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निजसायुज्य पदवीम् तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निजसायुज्य पदवीम्
मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुट मकुट नीराजित पदाम्
मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदा मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदा
Uttamam. Now we will do half a shloka at a time. Bhavani Tvandase Mayi Vitara Drishtim Sakarunam Iti Stotum Vanchan Kathayati Bhavani Tvamiti Yaha
भवानि त्वन्दासे मयि वितरदृष्टिं सकरुणाम् इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः भवानि त्वन्दासे मयि वितरदृष्टिं सकरुणाम् इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः
तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निज सायुज्य पदवीं मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदाम्
तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निज सायुज्य पदवीं मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदाम् तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निज सायुज्य पदवीं मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदाम्
Uttamam. Now the entire verse. Bhavani Tvandase Mayi Vitara Drishtim Sakarunam Iti Stotum Vanchan Kathayati Bhavani Tvamiti Yaha Tadaiva Tvan Tasmai Dishasi Nija Sayujya Padavim मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदाम्
भवानि त्वन्दासे मयि वितरदृष्टिं सकरुणाम् इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निज सायुज्य पदवीं मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदाम् भवानि त्वन्दासे मयि वितरदृष्टिं सकरुणाम् इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निज सायुज्य पदवीं मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदाम्
Uttamam Shivani. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you. We have been able to get 2 panelists on board after the technical glitch today. So we have Prithvi and Vihan who have joined as panelists. Shivani, who just chanted, is also a panelist, but again, I could not promote her to a panelist here on Zoom, so she continued as a participant. Thank you all for bearing with this. Sorry once again for the inconvenience. And thank you for those who also helped me with the chanting when we did not have panelists on board. So next one, Prithvi, request you to help, please help with this, and Vihan will do the next one. Tvaya hritva vamam
त्वया हृत्वा वामं त्वया हृत्वा वामं
वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा
वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा
शरीरार्धं शम्भोः
शरीरार्धं शम्भोः शरीरार्धं शम्भोः
अपरमपि शङ्के
अपरमपि शङ्के अपरमपि शङ्के
हृतमभूत्
हृतमभूत् हृतमभूत्
यदेतत्त्वद्रूपम्
यदेतत्त्वद्रूपम् यदेतत्त्वद्रूपम्
सकलमरुणाभम्
सकलमरुणाभम् सकलमरुणाभम्
त्रिनयनम्
त्रिनयनम् त्रिनयनम्
कुचाभ्यामानम्रम्
कुचाभ्यामानम्रम् कुचाभ्यामानम्रम्
कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम्
कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम् कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम्
Tamam. So let us see this verse. Tvaya hritva. Please note the pronunciation of that letter. Hrit. Tvaya hritva vamam vapura paritriptena manasa sharirardham. Dha is Mahaprana. Shambhoh. Bha is Mahaprana. Aparamapi shanke hritam abhut. Bha is again Mahaprana. Yade tattvadrupam. Here again Dvitvam. Tattvadrupam. Second D is heard. Sakala marunabham. Bha is Mahaprana. This time we split. We took a pause here after Sakala marunabham. So the Anuswara was chanted completely. Optionally, you could combine the Sandhi and chant it as Sakala marunabhan trinayanam. Both are correct. Kuchabhyam. Bha is Mahaprana. Kuchabhyamanambram. Kutila shashi chudala makutam. So let us do one line at a time now. Tvaya hritva vamam vapura paritriptena manasa.
Tvaya hritva vamam vapura paritriptena manasa. Tvaya hritva vamam vapura paritriptena manasa.
Sharirardham shambhoh aparamapi shanke hritamabhut.
Sharirardham shambhoh aparamapi shanke hritamabhut. Sharirardham shambhoh aparamapi shanke hritamabhut.
Yade tadvadrupam sakalamarunabhan trinayanam.
Yade tattvadrupam sakalamarunabhan trinayanam. Yade tattvadrupam sakalamarunabhan trinayanam.
Kuchabhyamanambram kutila shashi chudalamakutam.
Kuchabhyamanambram kutila shashi chudalamakutam. Kuchabhyamanambram kutila shashi chudalamakutam.
Uttamam. Now half a verse at a time. Tvaya hritva vamam vapura paritriptena परितृप्तेन मनसा शरीरार्धं शम्भोः अपरमपि शङ्के हृतमभूत्
त्वया हृत्वा वामं वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा शरीरार्धं शम्भोः अपरमपि शङ्के हृतमभूत् त्वया हृत्वा वामं वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा शरीरार्धं शम्भोः अपरमपि शङ्के हृतमभूत्
यदेतत्त्वद्रूपं सकलमरुणाभन्त्रिनयनं कुचाभ्यामानम्रं कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम्
यदेतत्त्वद्रूपं सकलमरुणाभन्त्रिनयनं कुचाभ्यामानम्रं कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम् यदेतत्त्वद्रूपं सकलमरुणाभन्त्रिनयनं कुचाभ्यामानम्रं कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम्.
Now the entire verse. Tvaya hritva vamam vapuraparitriptena manasa sharirardham shambhoho aparamapi shanke hritamabhut yadetattvadrupam सकलमरुणाभन्त्रिनयनं कुचाभ्यामानम्रं कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम्
त्वया हृत्वा वामं वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा शरीरार्धं शम्भोः अपरमपि शङ्के हृतमभूत् यदेतत्त्वद्रूपं सकलमरुणाभन्त्रिनयनं कुचाभ्यामानम्रं कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम् त्वया हृत्वा वामं वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा शरीरार्धं शम्भोः अपरमपि शङ्के हृतमभूत् यदेतत्त्वद्रूपं सकलमरुणाभन्त्रिनयनं कुचाभ्यामानम्रं कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम्.
Uttamam, Prithvi, well chanted. A few doubts here before we go to the next shloka. Is it kuchabhyamanambram is one doubt. There is no second ba here. It is not nambram. It is kuchabhyamanamram. There is no b here between na and mra. Okay, and how to pronounce hritva? The way I'm pronouncing it, it is not haratva. It is not hritva also, which is why there is always a discrepancy when we try to write Sanskritam in English. So the question is either is it HRA or HRI? The answer is neither. It is neither Hratva nor is it Hritva. It is Hritva. So this letter Hr is actually what we call a Gunitaksharam. That is the Vyanjana Ha is combining with H. In fact, H is combining with the Swara R. So A, I, I, U, R, R. So those two are Swaras, that is vowels. So Hr is a Gunitaksharam. That is how it is pronounced, like Kripa, Triptihi, Krishnaha, Hritva. So that is how these letters are pronounced, which is why if you see in diacritics, we don't write either HRI or HRA because it is neither. we write HR, indicate it with a dot below the R. That shows that it is this hritva, it is that vowel, rikara, rituhu, that pronunciation. You should get that pronunciation perfectly. So please do not pronounce it either as I or as U or as A, the way we commonly pronounce in English. It is hritva. All these letters with this rikara, all the words, sorry, with rikara, like I already said, triptihi, krishnaha, kripa, rituhu, all these are r. So it is not e or u or a. I hope this is clear. We will move to the next verse now. Vihan. Ram, Vihan. Jagatsute dhata.
Jagatsute dhata, Jagatsute dhata.
Hariravati rudraha kshapayate.
Hariravati rudraha kshapayate. Hariravati rudraha kshapayate.
Tiraskurvanne tat.
Tiraskurvanne tat. Tiraskurvanne tat.
Swamapi vapurishastirayati.
Swamapi vapurishastirayati. Swamapi vapurishastirayati.
Sada purvas sarvam.
Sada purvas sarvam. Sada purvas sarvam.
Tadidamanu grinhati cha shivaha.
Tadidamanu grinhati cha shivaha. Tadidamanu grinhati cha shivaha.
Tavagnyamalambya.
Tavagnyamalambya. Tavagnyamalambya.
Kshanachalitayorbhrulaticayoh.
Kshanachalitayorbhulaticayoh.
I will repeat. It is kshanachalitayoho bhrulaticayoho, but we don't split like that. We chant combining the sandhi. Kshanachalitayorbhrulaticayoho. So kshanachalitayor, there is a r there, repha. Then bhru, again there is a repha there. So kshanachalitayorbhrulaticayoho. Sometimes in conjunct consonants, that is samyuktaksharani, we have more than two vyanjanas in the same letter. So two vyanjanas are combining with one swara. So we should be very careful to chant all the, or to recite or pronounce all the vyanjanas correctly. Kshanachalitayorbhrulaticayoho. Let me repeat. Kshanachalitayorbhrulaticayoh.
Kshanachalitayorbhrulaticayoh. Kshanachalitayorbhrulaticayoh.
Jagatsute dhata. Dha is Mahaprana. Hariravati rudraha. Please note this. This is very important, a very important rule. You all have already learned about this rule in the pronunciation class. So whenever a visarga is followed by ksha, then the visarga is chanted completely. So I gave you an example of 12th chapter Gita, where sama dukkha sarvabhutanam maitraha karuna evacha Nirmamo nirahankarah samadukha sukha kshami is the shloka. So there also Visarga is followed by Ksha. So the Visarga is chanted completely. Similarly here, Hariravati Rudraha Kshapayate. So this Visarga should be chanted completely. If you chant it as Rudra Kshapayate, that is wrong. So if you don't chant the Visarga completely, that is against the rules of pronunciation. Visarga followed by Ksha wherever is always chanted in full. So Hariravati Rudraha Kshapayate. Then Tiraskurvannetat Swamapi Vapurishastirayati. Sada Purvas Sarvam Tadidamanu Grinhati. Please note the pronunciation of that letter. Tadidamanu Grinhati cha Shivaha. Kuchabhyamanamraha. Sorry, Sada Purvas Sarvam Tadidamanu Grinhati cha Shivaha Tavagnyam Kshana Chalitayor Bhrulatika Yoho. This Bhru is Mahaprana, and that letter also should be chanted clearly. Kshana Chalitayor Bhrulatika Yoho. I hope this is clear. We will do this once again. Vihan, if possible, request you to please repeat in the same pitch also, because it will be easier for those who are following, because they will also be repeating with us. Jagat Sute Dhata Hariravati Rudraha Kshapayate.
Jagatsute Dhata Hariravati Rudraha Kshapayate. Jagatsute Dhata Hariravati Rudraha Kshapayate.
Tiraskurvanne tat swamapi vapurishastirayati.
Tiraskurvanne tat swamapi vapurishastirayati. Tiraskurvanne tat swamapi vapurishastirayati.
Sada purvas sarvam tadidamanu grinhati cha Shivaha.
Sada purvas sarvam tadidamanu grinhati cha Shivaha. Sada purvas sarvam tadidamanu grinhati cha Shivaha.
Tavagnyam kshana chalitayor bhrulaticayoho.
Tavagnyam kshana chalitayor bhrulaticayoho. Tavagnyam kshana chalitayor bhrulaticayoho.
This should be clearer. Kshana chalitayor bhrulaticayoho. Every samyukta akshara should be heard clearly. Tavagnyam. So here it is not alambya. There is no dirgha here. Tavagnyam kshana chalitayor bhrulaticayoho. Now we will do half a shloka at a time, half a verse at a time. Jagatsute dhata hariravati rudraha kshapayate. Tiraskurvanne tat swamapi vapurishastirayati.
Jagatsute dhata hariravati rudraha kshapayate. Tiraskurvanne tat swamapi vapurishastirayati. Jagatsute dhata hariravati rudraha kshapayate. Tiraskurvanne tat swamapi vapurishastirayati.
सदा पूर्वः सर्वं तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिवः तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः
सदा पूर्वः सर्वं
सदा पूर्वः सर्वं
तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिवः तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः सदा पूर्वः सर्वं तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिवः तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः
Tavagnamalambya, that should not be prolonged. So let us chant the entire verse now. Jagatsute dhata hariravati rudraha kshapayate tiraskurvannetat swamapi vapurishastirayati सदा पूर्वः सर्वं तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिवः तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः
जगत्सूते धाता हरिरवति रुद्रः क्षपयते तिरस्कुर्वन्नेतत् स्वमपि वपुरीशस्तिरयति सदा पूर्वः सर्वं तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिवः तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः जगत्सूते धाता हरिरवति रुद्रः क्षपयते तिरस्कुर्वन्नेतत् स्वमपि वपुरीशस्तिरयति सदा पूर्वः सर्वं तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिवः तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः.
This tavagnamalambya ya should not be prolonged. Prithvi, could you chant this verse once slowly? Dhanyavadaha Vihan, well done, good job.
जगत्सूते धाता हरिरवति रुद्रः क्षपयते तिरस्कुर्वन्नेतत् स्वमपि वपुरीशस्तिरयति सदा पूर्वः सर्वं तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिवः तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः.
Dhanyavadaha Prithvi. A quick recap of the verses we learned today. I will just chant 21 to 24. Tatillekhatanvim tapana shashi vaishvanaramyim nishannam shannamapyupari kamalanantavakalam महापद्माटव्यां मृदितमलमायेन मनसा महान्तः पश्यन्तः दधति परमाह्लादलहरीं भवानि त्वं दासे मयि वितरदृष्टिं सकरुणाम् इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः तदैव त्वन्तस्मै दिशसि निज सायुज्य पदवीं मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदां त्वया हृत्वा वामं वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा शरीरार्धं शम्भोः अपरमपि शङ्के हृतमभूत् यदेतत्त्वद्रूपं सकलमरुणाभन्त्रिनयनं कुचाभ्यामानम्रं कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटं जगत्सूते धाता हरिरवतिरुद्रः क्षपयते तिरस्कुर्वन्नेतत् स्वमपि वपुरीशस्तिरयति सदा पूर्वः सर्वं तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिवः तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः. I hope this is clear. Once again, sorry for all the technical glitches here. We'll find out how we can rectify that so that next time we won't have any such issues. Just looking at the questions which I haven't answered, most of them related to the verses I answered during the class itself. Okay, whatever is given on this in the verse is right. So please don't try to substitute anything on your own, any letter, or that is one general observation with reference to some doubts I've received. Vapura Paritriptena is the word, and it should be chanted in that way only. Vapura Paritriptena. Like I said, please stick to what Acharya Shankara has given us. Let us not substitute our own letters or words. Vapura Paritriptena Manasa. Aparamapi Shanke Hritam Abhut. Here also it is Swamapi. It is not Swayamapi. Swayamapi is a completely different meaning. It is a completely different word, which is why I said, let us stick to the words which Acharya Shankara has given us. Each letter, each syllable has so much of meaning, and we cannot substitute our own words and our own letters. It is not Swayamapi, it is Swamapi. Vapurishastirayati. Grinhati, that is the way it is pronounced. Like, for example, Vanhihi, Brahma, similar rule. So in the word Brahma, Ma is first, Brahma. Though it is written as Ha with the Ma below, the pronunciation is Brahma. I have already sent you that video for rules of pronunciation by Soumya ma'am in our Suprabhatam course. So that video, that link to that YouTube video, please go through that. There is even this particular aspect has been dealt with in detail. Vanhihi, Brahma, why are those words pronounced in that way? Okay, I think I've why is 22 an important shloka? Okay, maybe I will deal with it in the next class briefly, because we are already we are running short of time, and so when everyone is there, and hopefully next class we won't have such technical glitches. So I will go through that aspect briefly in the next class before we start. So let us conclude as usual with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaah, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादाः। Thank you very much to all of you for attending and to all our panelists. So next class we will meet on next Sunday. Any other doubts, you all can send me an email. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.